when I saw Trustworthy, it gave me the opportunity to consolidate a lot of those documents into one location and then share them with family and other professionals. It's definitely made things easier just by consolidating everything. For example, I would have books of data. I've had corporate resolutions that I've had sitting in binders for years. I've had estate plans sitting in my office for years and never had them scanned and never had them in one location that was easily available. If I have an attorney that I have to meet with, or a CPA, or even a business colleague, I can now go into one location and find everything in the location. And everything is cross-referenced, which I really like. That was the best part of it. That's something that I didn't have before, that everything is cross-referenced. One of the other things I did like about it is that it has granular sharing. So you can go in and share specific documents, specific folders, and that's nice. So for example, for all of my kids, each one of them, I have their folders shared. And then I have the ability for them to get in, if my wife can't, to get in as a master with a master password. But I like that granularity of being able to share.